Good evening. So we just picked up this Matchless G80 CS, which is a genuine CS from 1966. It was originally exported to California, did a bit of desert racing, and then was imported back to the UK. So my dad's had this G80. It's a CS replica for a number of years, and then the opportunity came to get a genuine one. So we picked it up last weekend, and it's interesting because we're now comparing the sort of non-genuine replica, which we thought was a pretty close replica, but we're comparing it to the real one, and you can tell quite a few differences. Anyway, it's had some mods, like this bit of clearance for the handlebars, because I think the actual, although it's a genuine bike, the tank's a pattern, so we might need to look at that. The tank on the replica, believe it or not, is a genuine tank, so we're going to have a look at fitting the genuine tank, which is this one, which needs painting red really. Have a look at how that fits onto this one, and then we'll maybe look at replacing this tank further down the line, or swapping this tank over onto the replica. But just interested to start pulling it apart, so I'll do a bit of a time lapse of pulling it apart, and yeah, see where we get to. So a bit of a change of plan. The black bike had an oil leak that we've been trying to find, and it was from the oil return fitting on the crankcase that had been previously cross-threaded by the last owner. We couldn't get the fitting to sit square, so we ended up retapping the crankcase, so we laid the bike over for access.
I think we're in gear, aren't we?
Aha!
Halfway? Yeah.
Too soon?
Probably. Bike was stationary.
Right. Well, I think we've got that.
I think.
Because before you could see between the two fittings that there was a definite leak between the like coming from the top and around.
The top and
yeah.
dripping down the side of the crankcase.
Yeah.